we're going to work on what I like to call the Cobra Twist, which is a great stretch for your abdominals and your obliques. So to do this, we want to lie down, face down. From the lying position, push your chest up as far as you can whilst the hips are still on the floor. You don't have to get the arms straight, that's fine. And if you're feeling compression in the spine, that's also fine. You just have to think about breathing in a lot deeper to stretch the abdominals. Once you are as high as you can get, and you're probably beginning to feel a stretch, look over one shoulder and try and get your eyes onto your heels. And what you should feel is a stretch up one side of your torso. Keep your hips down, even lean into that stretch a little bit more, get your pocket to the floor, hold for about 20 seconds or a few breaths. We come down, a few breaths, relax, and of course we go up and do it again on the other side. Stick that one into your workout, especially if you're having trouble getting the stretch from a standard Cobra, and this will help add on that little bit more. You just have to do it both sides.